My name's Don Lake. I'm 66 years old, and I became diabetic, or it was known that I was a diabetic in probably 1986. I started out on pills, and that didn't seem to work, and I wound up going to insulin. I'm using the insulin pens now. I have to use one at night for long range, and then one 30 minutes before each meal. And I still haven't been able to keep my sugar level where it should be. Last month it was 9 when it should have been 6. Not last month, the last 3 months. And now that I have been coming here for about a month, it stays under 150, mostly down around 100 to 125. I've lost 14 pounds in the month that I've been coming here, and I feel much better. I've got more energy. I don't sit around and worry about everything like I did. After losing my wife, I wound up just sitting and not doing anything. Then I wound up having my knees redone, both knees at one time, put me out of commission for a while, and then I wound up getting up to 323 pounds. So between what I've done at home and what I've done here, I've lost down to 299 or 298, I believe. So I feel like I'm doing great, and I'm enjoying being here. Dr. Michael's been a real good help to me, especially the cooking class.
Would you recommend our treatment and care and programs for other diabetics?
I'd recommend this treatment for anybody that can stick with it. And I have to admit that I have come off at times. I've cheated a couple of times. Especially the worst time is on the weekends when my kids come to visit. I wind up cooking and I wind up eating a little bit too much. But I'm getting better.
Thank you.